My first impressions of this keyboard is wow, I really like the minimal clean look. It comes in two colours, black and white, and this white looks nice, and it goes well with my Logitech gaming mouse. If you are looking for a premium feel keyboard, this is definitely not the one. The casing is made of plastic, like most keyboards, but the weight distribution is unbalanced. The top half has some good weight to it, but the lower half feels light. When I tap on it, it sounds hollow compared to the top half. When you pick it up from the lower part, it feels cheap and light. On the flip side, I do like the fact that it is a lightweight keyboard, as it would be great for portability, and aesthetically, it looks brilliant in my opinion. It comes with PBT double shot cherry keycaps that look thin and are light. The keyboard is 3-pin and 5-pin hot swappable. I chose the Akko version 3 Cream Yellow Pro switches, which are linear and supposedly ideal for gaming, but they are actually good for typing if you don't mind not having that tactile feel. Gaming wise, I do feel like there's too much resistance when playing first person shooters. The switches have an actuation force of 50, so my fingers start to feel fatigue after a while. So it might be worth swapping out those particular switches you use for long pressing for something lighter. Like most of these keyboards, it does have RGB. I do like the light strips on the sides, which seem to be the trend nowadays with these RGB keyboards. For connectivity, there are 3 connection modes, USB-C, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz. Which again, like most of these keyboards, the USB dongle is conveniently stored within the keyboard. In terms of Bluetooth, you can connect up to 3 devices and easily switch between them once you've paired them to the keyboard, which is super handy if you have multiple devices. And you can also change the layout to either Mac or PC. Now, let's hear how this keyboard sounds. Typing feels good, surprisingly good, with these linear switches by Akko. They are quite springy, so depending on your typing rhythm, that may work or not work for you. I do however prefer a shorter actuation for my rhythm of typing, and also a flat keycap profile. The switches are stable. They don't produce much shake or rattle with the keycap on. The keycaps are thin and do feel lightweight like I said earlier on, but they do look great on this keyboard. The 5075B Plus is available on Amazon in the UK and US. It's currently on offer at a 30% discount in the UK at the time of this upload, bringing the price down from £116 to £80, which is really good. I do feel like this is a fairer price point for the quality of the keyboard. Hopefully Akko will consider keeping it at this price. In the US, the version of this keyboard is slightly different. The letters on the keycaps are blue and they are positioned in the center, but the price is way better than the UK. It only costs $68, which is an absolute bargain. I will leave a link to the keyboard in the video description below. But yeah, that's my take on the Akko 5075B Plus. Let me know what you think of it. As usual, thank you for watching.